G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I'm still on my hunt for the best fish and chips, and today it's brought me to Mermaid Beach Seafoods. I'm going to go in there and try their fish and chips, see what it's like, and well, they've got a Google score rating of 4.4. I'll see if it's worth the 4.4 or if it gets a different score by the old Grego. Anyway, let's go suss out Mermaid Beach fish and chips. Let's do it. Alrighty, so here we go, the Mermaid Beach Seafoods fish and chips. Let's suss it out. Alrighty. Ooh, yeah. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, gee, that looks alright. It looks pretty good, and today this fish is New Zealand hoki. And I gotta tell you what, it's a pretty good size too. Just look how big it is. It's massive, this thing. Now this fish and chips cost $10, and you can get a can of drink as well if you add another $1. And look at the serving size. I got a huge piece of fish, and look how many chips I got. I got enough chips there to feed a small army, I reckon. Now these chips do look pretty good. They feel nicely seasoned. Let's see if they are. Oh, beautifully seasoned. A nice crunch, nice and soft in the middle. What more do you want? But let's suss out this batter. Well, it looks pretty nice. Looks very nice, actually. Let's see what it tastes like. Really nice flavour. Nice little crunch there as well. Beautifully seasoned. Yummo. Let's suss out the fish. Alright. Well, there it is. Looks pretty good, huh? Nice big chunky pieces of meat there. Mate, that is a solid piece of fish. Wow. Oh, it looks like it's still got the skin on as well. Excellent. Well, let's try some. Not too bad. It was a little bit dry today. Got that slight fishy taste. Nothing too strong, but it's still a good piece of fish steak. I mean, have a look at the size of this thing. But let's try it all together. Ooh, boy, this is hot. Wow. Man, that is a solid feed. Now it did come with a piece of lemon, so let's do the old lemon test. Alright. Well, it just seems to be cascading off, doesn't it? Like a waterfall. That is one juicy lemon though. But to me it's one of those fish and chips that doesn't even need the lemon. It tastes pretty good on its own. What Grego Google score do I reckon it deserves? Well, like I said, it's a 4.4 on the Google star ratings. To me, I mean, the serving size is massive. The chips are really nice. The piece of fish is huge. And the price, I mean, $10, find somewhere cheaper. So my Google score rating will be 4.4. It's pretty much spot on. It's a great serving size. You can easily feed 2 people with this. The fish is nice, this batter's great, and the chips are pretty good too. So, tell you what, if you're ever around Mermaid Beach, whip on into Mermaid Beach Seafoods. They just don't do fish and chips. They got all these burgers. They got heaps of burgers actually. They got heaps of other things here, all the drinks that you can imagine, all the different nice bits of fresh fish as well. And it's only a couple of 100 metres from the beach, so you can walk there with your fish and chips and eat it there. Well, there's today's fish and chip review. Will you be heading down to Mermaid Beach Seafoods? If you do, tell him Greg sent you. I think he will have a clue. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I'm on my hunt for the best fish and chips. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking.